In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize Google Docs alongside Google Keep for a seamless note-taking and document creation experience. Whether you're drafting an essay, preparing a report, or just jotting down ideas, Google Docs paired with Google Keep can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to head over to Google Docs. So open your preferred browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, please do so now. This requires your Google credentials, which will give you access to all the features we'll discuss today. Once you're in, the next step is deciding whether to open an existing document or create a new one. If you already have a document in progress, simply click on it to continue working. If you're starting from scratch, click on the blank page thumbnail to open a new document. This decision depends on where you are in your process, whether you're starting fresh or integrating new notes into ongoing work. Now let's talk about integrating Google Keep with Google Docs. On the right side of your Google Docs window, you'll notice some icons. Look for the icon that resembles a yellow light bulb. This represents Google Keep. If for some reason you don't see it, you may need to click on the sidebar button at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select Keep to reveal your notes in the side panel. Interacting with Google Keep via the sidebar is straightforward. If you click on the Keep icon, your notes will appear instantly in the right-hand sidebar of your document. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to reference or use notes you've previously taken. Being able to access your notes without leaving the document means a more fluid and consistent workflow. Now here's where the magic happens. You can drag and drop notes directly from Google Keep into your document. The text, along with any images contained in your notes, will be inserted into your document instantly. This can be a real time saver as it allows you to integrate your research and ideas seamlessly. Alternatively, if dragging and dropping isn't preferable for you, you can manually copy text from Google Keep and paste it into your document. This integration encourages a dynamic interaction between your notes and your document, fostering a more organized and productive process. So there you have it. By following these steps, you'll become adept at incorporating Google Keep notes into your Google Docs, making your document preparation instances more efficient and interconnected.